The second equation, the question is to define the vector v is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I need to define this vector first, v, and then I need to use this vector in mathematical expression to create the some different vectors. Okay, so I need to use this v is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this vector, and I want to apply these vector on the different expression which you can see here, right? So for that, what I can do, I'll create one variable there. Okay, v is equal to 5 in this square bracket 5 colon minus 1 to 1. Okay, so this is our example. Let's just see. Yeah. Okay, so this was our the examples values. Again, I'm defining the a variables v multiplied square 2. Okay, here, and same for doing for c and d also. Okay, so a, b, c, and d, here is our mathematical equations. Okay. Okay, so what we can do is I need to apply this vector on this expression. So simply I can do I'll create v command or v vector first and applying on this a, b, c, d. Okay, so this is very simple example that we can say. Let me evaluate this section. So I can get the values of b, c, d. Okay, this is something like we can say creating a vector and applying on the mathematical equations, right? I can also use and create the different vectors. So the third question is to find out the area of parallelogram to shown by the the calculate the calculated by this. Let me. I hope that you can see this question. Okay, so this RAB into this RAC into the square bracket, right? So we'll have to use the following steps in the script file to calculate the area. Okay, first that we want to create or the calculate the area. Okay, so define the position of points A, B, and C as vectors. So A will become like 2 0, B will be the values of the 10 3, C will be the 4 6. So from that, what I need to do is I need to determine the vectors of VAB, sorry, the RAB and RAC from the points. Okay, and further, I need to determine the area by using the different MATLAB built-in function. Okay, like cross, sum, and square root. Right. So I can use this MATLAB inbuilt functions on this questions. Right.